Westermans here again with Murex Transmig 353, one of 3 machines with a 4-roll wire feed system on it. Quick load test. Machine's running at 366 amps at the minute on setting 7. Fans just kicked in on the thermal. Good old traditional transformer machine, old but very reliable and solid. More details available on this and other MIG machines from Westermans, both new and used, inverter and transformer. Machine's running on a 32 amp supply at the minute. Even though it's a 353 machine, you'll find that's the machine is over 400 amps. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking. This will either get serviced to order or sold as is.